Here is a brief overview of some of the supplies for the installation of your screen printing press jiffy clamps. So what you're going to want to do is take your clamp and then place it onto your screen loosely here, and in general measure around 10 inches between the two clamps. Then move your clamps back to the edge for your spacing. And then the next step will be to take a T-square and get everything lined up. Alright, so I'm going to take my T-square and drop it down. Get everything straight as can be here. And then go ahead and mark my holes. Once I have the holes marked, I'll take my awl and punch a hole, and punch one hole here. And now that I have it marked out, I can go ahead and take the drill and begin to drill my pilot holes. So I'm going to go ahead and take my drill, align it with my holes, and drill a small pilot hole. Now that I have my pilot hole, double check that everything aligns, and now I just need to put my screws in. Alright, so now I take my T-square, get everything lined up, and then take my wood screws, screw both of those in. Get my first one, make sure everything is leveled here, and then go ahead and repeat the process with your second screw. Now that I have my jiffy clamps installed, I can take my aluminum screen, slide it back, tighten these down, the wing nuts. Then I'll add my clamps to the back, and this will ensure that the squeegee does not fall back. And then I like to take old masking tape rolls, and then I use that to prop the screen up, and I'm ready to go.